Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Command Day.
Been too long.
And today we've got Dream Pop Prime.
That really sounds good.
It does sound good. I think it's going to be an orange cream soda, I hope. So we'll look at the important factoids and then we will find out. We got ourselves 10 little calories in the entire can. We got 140 milligrams of sodium, 3 grams of carbohydrate. We got 0 sugar, 40 milligrams of calcium, 150 milligrams of potassium, 2.55 milligrams of B6, 3.60 micrograms of B12, and 40 milligrams of magnesium, and 200 milligrams of caffeine in the entire can.
It's the worst road to do this. Oh well.
Most unfortunate.
Oh, that's mine.
Oh yeah, it's a cream pop.
Awesome.
Oh yeah.
It's hot enough. It's reading. Well, it says it's only 82. I think it's a little warm.
I don't believe that. No, it's much hotter than that.
You got a breeze, but still.
Well, let's just say for 0 sugar, I should be about 50 pounds heavier now. Wow, that is good. Smooth, bubbly, and very sugary.
I feel like I'm
Without sugar.
about to bite into it on the steak.
You're about to bite onto it into the steak, yeah. Yep.
I think we'll have to go back and get more of these.
I think so, yes.
You said 0 sugar?
0 sugar in that. Only 10 calories.
Wow.
Yeah.
It contains no juice. How do they do that? That is amazing.
Many things. But it is incredible that they got, yeah, the can art is, yeah, we got that nice show fade.
Like see, just like the pop.
Exactly. We got the little cream sticking out at the bottom. Yep, so great design on the can art.
That's where they're making the money.
Oh, yeah.
That is awesome.
But that is awesome tasting.
I'd get that.
Oh, and also 355 milligrams of electrolytes in here too. I forgot about that. So that's a nice
That's a
add-on.
plus. If you get a chance this week, I think you should go and grab some more.
Because that is excellent. Wow.
That is amazing.
That is really, really good. Well, I must say that has to go right to the top of 39. SOT 392.
Of course, it's orange based.
And of course, it's
no
orange based.
surprise.
But it is exactly what it says it is. And
Since
man.
we had one go straight to the top. That
Wow. It's like, yeah, it's just
Wow.
that instantly we know.
And
it's
it makes
good.
sense now because there is going to be a SRT, so we can actually have an SRT.
Exactly. The SOT's going back. Yes.
Yeah, that was amazing.
That is great. So, find some, get some, drink some, you enjoy
If
some.
you found it before we did, let us know.
Let us know how much you enjoyed it because that was good. That was very, very tasty. So, alrighty. Thanks
Not
guys
much
for
left.
watching.
Not much left of that.
There's not much of that. That's almost gone. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.